Raila Odinga and ODM have not changed. They are still the same people. They are still the face of violence. They are still the face of chaos. They are the face of all that is wrong in this country. What happened in Kibra is that the Jubilee was winning that seat, but the ODM people arranged goons to intimidate the Jubilee strongholds. More so in Woodley Ward, where we have almost 20,000 registered voters, and mostly people from central Kenya who are Jubilee. They went to all areas where Jubilee was very strong and intimidated voters, beat up members of parliament. And you know, once you beat up members of parliament, the ordinary wananchi are very afraid. So people kept away from voting. That is how ODM won that seat, through fraud, through violence, through intimidation. And we are also saying, this politics that Raila has brought in this country, the politics of the bedroom, the politics of zoning one area and saying that these are no-go zone for other people. But we don't want to get there. That is why we are asking the Ministry of Interior to take very decisive action on Simba Arati and all the goons from ODM